space, better living. Shara Model offers a semi-complete 3-bedroom home na may 2 toilet and bath and bathroom. At starting price nito is 2.9M lang. May malaking parking space, kaya no worry kung saan mo ipapark ang sasakyan mo. May malaking living area. Perfect para sa family bonding at chill moments after work. Meron ka ng 3 spacious bedroom, pwede for kids, home office at guest room. At syempre, meron ka ng 2 toilet and bath, so no more agawan sa umaga. Dito naman sa dining area, sakto ang small gatherings for everyday meals. May modern kitchen na ready for your dream setup. Welcome sa Shara Model sa Villa Space 3 Golden Horizon with a lot area of 54 square meter and a lot area of 72 square meter. 2-story townhouse na abot kaya, spacious at perfect sa pamilya mo. Sa community, may basketball court, clubhouse, playground, at 24/7 security. Malapit pa sa SM13, Walter Mart, schools at hospitals. At guess what? Pwede mo nang simulan ang dream home mo with only 15,000 reservation fee. Ready ka na bang magkabahay ng abot kaya, accessible at kompleto sa amenities? Comment and message us para sa details. Again, this is Janice Madlambayan, your property specialist. Thank you for watching. Bye!